This is a 3-bedroom bungalow with BQ. So we'll be starting this video from the third road and we'll be going down to where this building is. So I just wanted you to follow me while I go from the third road to the bungalow, so you know that it's not far from the third road. If this is something you might be interested in, you know that after watching this video, reach out to me with the number somewhere on the screen. Okay, so you know that bungalow is hot in the market now. There are few developers doing this, so any bungalow you see now is a hot cake. So if you're looking to buy bungalow in Enugu, especially in Trans Ekulu Phase 6 new GRA, this is the right option for you. So we'll be taking right as we get to this junction. Pay close attention to how I'm driving, okay? So if you don't know me, I go by the name Paul Wokwe, a real estate expert based here in Enugu. I have sold more than 1 billion real estate in this year 2024. So you can be my next client, okay? So if you're in the market for bungalow, you have to watch this. I also have another bungalow which is going for 65 million naira, which is after Winners Estate. If you check my video, you will see it. It hasn't been long. I think it's about last month I made that video, so it's still fresh. You will see it. Okay, so do you notice this area, how developed it is? Yeah, I know you did. So follow me while we go. So I have to park my car here so I can walk down to the bungalow. You can see the bungalow from here. So this is where I came from and this is where I parked my car. There's supposed to be a road here, but it's no longer available and accessible, so you can always come through the road I came through. Okay, not far. It is about 2 minutes to the third road. So this is the security. This is actually a mini estate. Like I said, I've showed you the security. Then this is the bungalow. Let's go. So this is where the mini estate stopped. You can see that fence over there. That's where it stopped. So let's go in here. You will notice that work is still going on here. They're trying to put the overhead tank, and also they are putting the gate. So this overhead tank is for the other bungalow. It's actually a twin bungalow. I like this design. This is fabulous. And this compound can contain 2 cars and you still have space to do your small, sit out. And I like the way they designed this front view. You can see that there is space in here, right? Do you observe what I'm saying? But let me show you the edge first so you can see the space by the side. You can see the space by the side, so you can see they have already mounted this one. Yeah, so I can get a better view of this bungalow. So it's not that big compound, but it's very spacious to compare to what we have in Winners Estate. So like I said, I told you I like this porch. They call it sit out, they still call it porch. So you see the design here, air can come in here. Even though you're sitting here, you still be having enough air. So this is the ante room, that's your visitor's toilet. Then over here by my right is your parlor. You can see how spacious this parlor is. This is the first bungalow I'm seeing with this massive parlor in Trans Ekulu that is going for 50 million. So this is your kitchen. You can see it's fully tiled. They're still yet to fix the door. Then this is your master's bedroom. You can see it has 2 windows. Then down here you see children's room. This is children's room. Yeah, this is children's room with 2 windows. Then this one is your madam's room. Okay, so let's go at the back. Let me show you the BQ. So we're going through the kitchen. You can see there's a step down here. So this is the BQ. It's a self-contained BQ. It has its own toilet. Okay, you can see the roof is high. So this is the toilet and bath, and there will be a mini wardrobe here. So you can see this compound. Let me show you the back. You can see here is spacious. You can put up your drying cable, so you can be drying your clothes here or anything you want to do. So I'll pass through here to the front, so you can see you can access the BQ from the front, so the person don't need to come inside the house. So there's an access road from here. You can see there's already well here. Enugu is doesn't have water much, but it's not about Trans Ekulu. Trans Ekulu has water. You can see water in here. Yeah, they'll pump it to the tank, then it will rush in the house, right?
Yo, you can see I'm all sweaty right now, and I'm so unable now. Heat a mega mofuma. Also so asugo mofuma. So if we are in aga kai we no because property the legit, the verified. No na Enugu. Yeah, in aga bigger. So each I go this duplex, I can only have 50 million because a finishable. This company actually sells on pre-sale. So when they finish it, it's always higher. So if you don't buy now, you might end up buying for 55 or 60 million. So if you want to buy, just comment I'm interested. I'll drop you a message, and with my WhatsApp link or my WhatsApp number, so you can chat me up, whether you're in the diaspora or you're in another state. Bye bye.